Hi, I'm Tim Dell. I teach here at Pittsburg State University. One of the classes that I teach here is the Advanced Hydraulics class. And I use my textbook that I have written for Goodhart-Willcox Hydraulic Systems for Mobile Equipment. When you come into the class for Advanced Hydraulic Systems, it's a pretty challenging class that allows you to gain the fundamentals of all the different types of hydraulic systems that are out there. You know, it's a challenge for folks to learn about traditional load sensing and the differences between pre-spool pressure compensation, which is load sensing, post-spool pressure compensation, which is also load sensing. Caterpillar calls it triple PC. Bosch Rexroth calls it LUDV. There's lots of different terminologies we can use, as well as load sensing that is used in Husco flow summation directional control valves. And so just to say that, you know, a hydraulic system is load sensing, you're going to get to break down all the different types of systems that are out there in additional load sensing systems as well. And we're going to build them on these hydraulic boards. You're going to be able to find out why some manufacturers may choose to use a pre-spool pressure compensated system over a post-spool flow sharing system. You're going to get to learn about the positives of both sides as well as the negatives and what customers like and dislike about post-spool pressure compensated system or flow sharing systems. You're going to get to understand why a load sensing hydraulic system might require an unloading valve and why a manufacturer might choose to use a minimum flow variable displacement pump with a load sensing hydraulic system. We're going to also dig into the other types of systems that you might find on a mobile hydraulic system. We'll talk about dual flow constant horsepower. We'll get into positive flow control. We'll get into negative flow control. And as I mentioned, flow summation. And then we'll create other types of hydraulic systems out there. We'll take that open center system and we'll create a power beyond function with it. And so there's a ton of different things that we'll spend time on actually building them on these hydraulic boards. We'll actually take time learning all the intricacies of the different test equipment that's used to diagnose machines and also walk through the process of being able to answer or ask the right questions when you're diagnosing a machine. And ultimately, you're going to learn the why. And because if you can understand the why within the intricacies of these systems, that puts you in a much better position to be able to diagnose, service, and repair the hydraulic system.